You've never done this before?
No. Okay, we should take the spoon, right? We put one scoop in each of the half of the egg and then eat it.
Half a scoop?
No. We use the spoon. Then we use each of the egg.
Okay. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna do it. Well, not that, but we're gonna do the cinnamon. Oh, stupid.
Alright, so you grab a spoonful. Oh shit. Is that enough? God, that's a lot.
That is, but that's a small spoon. I'm on my break. Ryan's breaking. He's not.
Dude, I feel like you have more.
I probably do. Here. That's it. Oh.
Cheers.
Ready? Okay. Have you done this before?
No.
Okay, so don't spit on me, okay?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Well, bad idea. I gotta go back on the floor.
Mmm. Mmm.
I'm crying. I'm crying. Ow. I've done it before too, not today. I'm crying.
That was a terrible idea.